Have you ever felt awkward when waiting for an elevator with a coworker? The silence feels so long. You want to say something, but you do not know what to say. This is where small talk helps. Understanding this idiom will make your conversations much smoother. Let us look at Ken. His boss said, "We need some small talk before the meeting." Ken thought the boss wanted a small table for the meeting. He was very confused. Of course, his boss meant light conversation, not furniture. It was a funny mistake. So, what does it really mean? Small talk is polite conversation about unimportant things. We talk about the weather, movies, or weekend plans. It helps people feel comfortable together. The word small means it is not a big or serious topic. It is just a friendly way to start. Now, let us see how to use it correctly. Imagine you meet a neighbor outside. You say, "Nice weather, isn't it?" Your neighbor smiles and says, "Yes, it is beautiful." That is perfect small talk. It creates a friendly mood without a deep discussion. Example 1. We made small talk while waiting for the bus. This means they chatted about light topics. Example 2. I am not very good at small talk at parties. Some people find light chatting difficult. Example 3. They skipped the small talk and started the meeting. They went straight to serious business. To remember this, think of many small bubbles of talking. They are light and float away easily. Small talk is easy and light, just like a small bubble. It is never heavy or difficult. Did you know the idea of small talk has been around for hundreds of years? In different cultures, small talk topics change. Some talk about family, others about sports. In many movies, characters use small talk to hide their true feelings or to be polite. Similar phrases are chat or chit-chat. They all mean talking in a relaxed way. Opposites are deep talk or serious discussion. These are about very important things. Related words include icebreaker and water cooler talk at the office. Common mistake: do not use small talk as a verb. It is a noun. Say, have some small talk. Another mistake is making small talk in serious situations, like a sad event. It might seem rude. Remember, context is key. Small talk is for casual, friendly moments only. Here is a quiz. What is a common topic for small talk? A. World peace. B. The weather. Or C. Deep secrets. The correct answer is B. The weather. Small talk should be light and easy for everyone. Great job if you got it right. You are becoming an expert on small talk. To recap, small talk is light conversation about easy topics to make people feel comfortable. It breaks the silence and helps you build new relationships in English-speaking countries. Do not be afraid to try it. Start with the weather and see where the conversation goes. Now, it is your turn. Have you used small talk recently? What did you talk about? Please share your experiences with us in the comments below. We love to hear from you. If you enjoyed today's content, please like and subscribe or support us with super thanks. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.